Good medical morning. I'm Watson, and today we're going to discuss how to prevent mask acne, sometimes called maskne. With mandatory masks, it turns out that mask acne is becoming a real problem for more and more people. While you watch these pimple-popping clips, let's discuss tips for preventing mask acne. Tip number 1. Wash your mask frequently if it's washable, or change masks frequently if they're disposable. Wash your face throughout the day. Wear less makeup under your mask. Purchase a non-irritating facial mask like this. Make sure to use sensitive skin detergent when you wash your masks. Avoid touching your face and playing around with the mask. And choose fibers that are gentle under skin, such as cotton, over synthetics. To keep my pores clean as a preventative measure, I personally use this blackhead removal peel mask. Let's take a look. Hey everybody, I'd like you to check out our salon quality blackhead mask. It's designed with your sensitive skin in mind. Mr. Blackhead's Bio Aqua Mask is made to hit that sensitive T-zone, unclog your pores, and make your skin feel young again. We'll leave a link in the description below, or check out our shortcut for Amazon at m7amazon.com. You're going to absolutely love it.